these amazing women who made a contribution to the crypto industry in 2022. Let's break this down right now. My name is Adam Shelton, the captain, and these women has been fantastic to the crypto world. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Now, Elizabeth Stark is a co-founder and CEO of Lightning Labs and one of the earliest supporters of the blockchain scaling solution. Elizabeth Stark is number one. The second one we're going to mention here is Kathleen Brentman. She is the co-founder and CEO of Dynamic Ledger Solution and is a Cornell University graduate. So congratulations to her. The next one we have here is Meltman Demirs. Now, she is the Chief Strategy Officer at CoinShares and a leading digital asset investment firm that manages over $4 billion in investor assets. So let's give it up to her as well. Next one on the list, we got Neha Narela. Now, she is Director of Digital Currency Initiative and MIT Media Lab Research Community and focus on blockchain technology. That is amazing there. We definitely support and really appreciate all for her works. Next one we have is Mrs. Boring, okay? And she has a bachelor's degree in business administration from the University of Florida. Shout out to University of Florida. I'm from Daytona Beach. And she founded the Chamber of Digital Commerce, and which is the world's largest trade solution, I would say, association that caters specifically to the blockchain industry. So shout out to her. The next one we have is Amber Baldit. She's a co-founder of the CEO of Clover, a blockchain firm dedicated to developing versatile tools that can be used to enhance usability of decentralized application. So shout out to Amber. So those are the amazing women from strength to strength that's doing something amazing to our crypto industry. Shout out to them. And I believe we'll have more women contributing in 2023. My name is Adam Shelton, and thank you for watching this video today. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. See you on the next video.